Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Game again by another Nikkei Goddess of Victory content. In this video, I'm just gonna tell you how to do the bubble march. So technically, I was having a hard time, and then I was like noticing that like whenever you go to the levels, each certain levels, you will see the enemy's level is higher than yours. Okay, so then trying to correlate that to Nikkei, it means that the higher the level of your enemy or the stage that you're into and your level is lower, it means that the penalty would be higher on your side. So you cannot clear that as long as you have lower CP or lower levels, same as gonna be in the bubble march. So if you go to this like bubble march start here, there's gonna be upgrades. So for example, I'm currently at normal 2. This is gonna be, I think, correlating to everything. Okay, so my research is, I'm not researching everything. Okay, I have 6. I'm just having this lovely bubble defender here, the bubble gunner, and just the healer. Okay, I don't really upgrade it because the thing is, if you choose more, it means that it's gonna be much more expensive. Like this one is 180, but this one is like lesser than that. Okay, so next would be your traits. As you can see, some of them are saying that you need to upgrade your summoning cost reduction and everything else. I suggest guys you focus first on your summoning level. Okay, so that it's gonna be up to par to the enemy that you're facing. Because if it's lower, despite you having fast cost upgrade, okay, despite you having fast cost upgrade, fast bubble production, and fast cooldown and everything else, the problem is your unit will be much lower than the level of your enemy. But if you have summon level, like for example, I'm summon level 6 here, so grant 6 extra levels when the stage begins. So, and then I'm gonna be almost at the max, okay? So, my suggestion is just focus on that. No leveling up. I'm just gonna show you how it goes. So, let's go to the normal 2 here. Start battle. So, I'm just using my technique as like, so I'm gonna wait first, wait for the loading. See, it's level 7 and level 7, right? Level 7 or level 7. I can upgrade this tank now just to like tank the damage. So once they're close, because your base is very very weak, okay? Once they're close, then I'll drop him down, okay? Once they're close, I'm gonna drop him down. A bit more closer, a bit more closer, a bit more closer, a bit more. Then you drop it down. Then try to delay it as best as you can. Then try to level up your gunner after. I'm gonna put in my healer. So that's just my combination. Tank, gunner, healer. Then from there, I'm gonna upgrade it. I'm gonna upgrade the gunner. Then come back. So now I have a leeway on max on everything else. So I can drop him now. So just to support. Then the gunner at the back. So just to like calm them down. And then the healer at the back. And then once I'm at like, I'm gonna upgrade it to max. See, is as you can see, I have much more of a leeway because I'm now at level 8 compared to them at level 7. So, and then I'm just gonna wait for it to run to like almost 300. I'm gonna bolster my team. I'm not gonna summon for my character yet because like again, I'm waiting for it. So now I can summon both of them, the gunner, this one, and the healer together. And then just like that again, gunner, healer. And then after that, maybe 2 waves more. So gunner, like tank, gunner, healer. And then now I have that leeway to summon my Little Mermaid. So that's it. Very easy. And then you then proceed to like try to level up your character. It needs to be higher than your enemy because again you can see the enemy's level 7, right? Enemy's level 7. Oh, see, I'm done with this. Next wave now I'm gonna be waiting for, see, with the healer again, tank, gunner, healer. And then I'm gonna drop this Little Mermaid down. And then that's it. Fairly easy moving forward. Then that's, it's up to you now what to upgrade, but like I'm just gonna be focusing on this basic gunner healer combination, trying to give it to like 300 so that I can drop them at the same time so that they can walk side by side to each other. Because like if you don't put them side by each other, they're not gonna be running. There's like a gap between them. So this would be much more compact so that when they come in approach on that, like they're gonna be much more compacted instead of them like moving around on separate places. So look at this. So fairly easy to do. So like let's put more salt to the wound. Just basic characters. And then if it gets bad moving forward, then that's the time you upgrade. But like I think this one would like suffice. So see, let's do it again on the second stage. Where are we now? Normal 3. So my traits are going up. I'm still gonna increase and I'm still gonna enhance this. Okay, still gonna enhance that. And then traits would be, I'm gonna increase my traits more, level them up, so that my level is still higher. See, I'm level 9. So what are my enemies now? See, they're both the same as level 9. So once I level it up, I'm gonna be much more tankier than the other one. So upgrade. So I'm a max now. So meaning I have a leeway. So the same, the same that I'm gonna be doing. Hopefully this one works. Maybe, but like again, they are much more cheaper. But like I'm not gonna be putting them down now. Wait for it. 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 Shoot! And then I'm gonna wait for my healer to come up. Healer gunner. Then I'm gonna upgrade my gunner. Then my gunner is max now. Then that's it. I'm gonna upgrade the healer later. Okay? Let's put him down here. You need to get the tank in as quick as you can because your gunner will get destroyed. So tank gunner. Let's put in the more tanks. Tanks. Let's put in the healer later just to get me secured. Now I can put my healer now. I think now I'm pushing it. I'm currently pushing it, which is great. So tank. And then healer. Then now, they're pushing it in the middle. Now I can level up my healer. Upgrade. Then my healer is max again. It's like rinse and repeat. Looks like it's working really well. And that's it. Fairly easy for the people who are having a hard time on this one. Again, you notice again, it's just on your fundamentals on Nikke that like levels are very very huge part of Nikke. If your level is lower, you're gonna get penalized. So I suggest you do this, and hopefully you enjoy this video. Like and subscribe again. This 2000 Gaming, and that's it. Bye bye.